This whole process is being poisoned by politics. And if you expect scientists to do their work, if you expect scientists to collaborate and actually get the answers that you want, actually seek in a non-blame environment to find that this be done in a depoliticized environment where science and health is the objective of this and not blame and politics. Every country and every entity is free to pursue their own particular theories of origin. It's a free world. WHO is a member state organisation, and we seek to work with all of our member states to seek answers collectively. We do that within the framework of the mandate that we have as an organisation. We do that in collaboration by consensus. That is the way our organisation works. So we would ask that we separate the science from the politics and let us get on with finding the answers that we need in a proper, positive atmosphere where we can find the science to drive the solutions through a process that's driven by solidarity.
And to really separate the science from the politics. So there are some quite clear recommendations that have been outlined in the detailed report that the international team published in March. Many countries are digesting that and reading that in quite some detail. They're really devouring it in that sense to kind of pull out all of the relevant information in there. If you haven't read that report, if you haven't read all of the appendices, I really ask you to do so because there is a wealth of knowledge that is in there. And it clearly outlines the technical approach that is needed. As Mike has said, as we have said many times, this requires many studies. It requires multiple missions. It requires collaboration, openness, time. And so those technical next steps are very clear. As Mike has said, we have also been discussing with some member states who are offering some support and offering some input into what they think are also needed. It's very much in line with what is reported in the report itself, so that is good. So we will continue to do so and outline those next steps, and as soon as possible is really the answer, that we want to continue to do this work. But I do think we need to manage the expectations. It will take time. And it's hard enough to do as it is. So with the politics involved in it, that makes it even that much harder. So let the scientists be the scientists. Let us sort of stay rooted in the evidence and follow that evidence and continue to carry out those studies.